try it?
Yeah.
Fucking do it. Did you say you are live?
No, I'm recording now.
Oh, okay.
Just gonna record for clips and
Should
potential
also
YouTube.
post on YouTube, like, yeah.
I do have a couple videos scheduled for YouTube. So
Yeah.
I'm just trying to, if I can. Oh my god, these dudes are fucking me up, man. Holy shit. These dudes are gonna chase me, dude. Land hot.
Oh, I fucking missed it, bro. Oh my god, I missed the fucking pop.
I'm dead. Fucking miss it. Yo.
I was literally like, my feet hit it, bro.
Oh my god, you're trash, kid. Yeah, I'm gonna
I
need
am
to pick up,
trash.
by
You
the
can
way.
pick up perks now.
I need you to come to me.
How far are you?
I'm on the same level as you.
Are you up top?
No,
Oh, you are?
I'm on the same level as you.
Are you inside?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. I'm getting shot
I'm
behind me.
inside, yeah. There you go.
Let's go.
Not a point.
You see how I picked up the perk already?
No.
I have, look at my plates.
They're here, by the way. Got hits on him? Blue? Nice. Good teams.
Nice.
Getting up.
Oh, he's on me. He's on me.
Got him.
Nice shot,
There's
bro.
more. There's more.
Nice.
You can almost jump off and buy a lot of it. Another box here.
Oh, this door like comes right out here, eh?
Do I have 6 or 8 grand? Am I tripping?
You have 6.
Oh,
You're right below me over here.
Loadout drop in.
I don't think we jumped, do you?
Ooh, somebody sees us. Somebody just fired a rocket at you, dude.
Where?
Right behind you. Or was that a plane? What the fuck? Wanna go get loaded? Oh, fuck, I fell
Yeah, I
off.
think we should.
Yeah, I'm going for it.
Okay. Did you get shot at all?
Yeah. I'm running. Yeah, they're shooting at us.
Fuck.
They
There's
might be
like
pushing
5
me.
boxes there.
Yeah, there's at least 5. Yeah, he's right below you
Going on
right
me?
here. Yeah, he's right below you here.
Yeah.
Moving out.
Nice, I got an assist on that. Careful though. Attaboy.
Truck on the other side. I don't know if you can see it on yours.
I can't. I'm gonna come back up to you. I think that was the guy that was shooting at
There's
me.
one on the very top.
Gotcha.
He just flew in.
Jeez, what is this?
No way. You're a fucking puss.
Your teammate is in the gulag now. Nice.
Bug yet?
No. No, I have not. Fuck, where does this go? Oh shit, it was way too high.
Finish the mission.
Rip. There's not even a buy peak. When you can fly off and go here, you can fly off and probably go here. Good shots, bro.
Oh, my controller died.
You fuck, bro, you blew him too.
Mm-hmm.
You got a perfect headshot on him there. If you could hit it one more time.
Yeah, my fucking controller literally died at that exact fucking moment. I don't know if you saw like the sway to the left, it fucking like...
You're up next. Ready up.
That's just excuses for missing shots, bro.
Win this fight and you return to the front line. Done. Fight your way out of this.
Oh no.
Fuck! My fucking controller, man!
I was gonna say, it looks like you were frozen there.
Yeah, because it kept fucking like popping out.